What's up, everybody, man? You know what today is. So we back with another giveaway. If you're new to the channel, first of all, I want to say welcome. And we do these giveaways every week. All you gotta do is share, comment, like, and subscribe, and you automatically enter to win the giveaway, man. Let me get that drum roll, please. I accidentally wrote night wig, but it's Nightwing. Congratulations, man. Nightwing, to get your gift card information, holla at me on Instagram. Send me a DM to @float89_ and I'll get you taken care of. If y'all didn't win this week, it's okay, man, because you got another chance to win next week. I'm doing this every week. Just have your notification bell on for the video that come out Wednesday. That's when you get your chance to enter. And I just want to thank everybody who support, who like, who comment, who subscribe. You know, man, I appreciate y'all. Thank you.